What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another TPX reviews. Today's review is the last review for Reign energy drink. It feels like an eternity. I will figure out what comes next. I'm going to try to work on what comes next. But for now, this is it. Reign Sour Apple. Is it best for last? I don't know. Razzleberry ended up being my favorite, so I don't know what's going to happen with this one. So yeah, here it goes. We'll see how this actually does. So, same as always, we got our black tab. We got a lime green with like a yellow, I don't know, it's green, yellow, whatever. It's green. We have this stuff here. Yeah, this stuff. If you click this video first, I gotta whack you, because I've sat here and documented 6 of these now. So to pick this one first would be very unfair, because I went through full detail all this stuff. Alright, so I'm convinced this batch number crap is just an illusion, because this is another 1118B, which means that the other ones that I've reviewed, it's pointless. Basically, every single can is, I kid you not, exactly the same, except for this color and this title. This front face piece is the only thing that's the same. And this crap up here. It is so lazy. It is so lazy. They put no effort at all into varying these cans. Alright, let's take a whiff. Okay, so the apple I'm getting from this actually smells like Rockstar Hardcore Apple, which is interesting, because it's official that Monster has like ripped off Rockstar more than they've ripped off Bang, because there's no way Bang smelled like this. This is really like sour apple or hardcore apple. It's got that. It's even, I mean, it even has the, I know this doesn't get mentioned a lot, but when you first take a sniff of the Rockstar Hardcore Apple or the original Super Sours, they have a little hint of, it's apple, it's Granny Smith apple, but nobody mentions this. There's a little hint of cinnamon in there. I don't think anybody ever smells that, but I do. So yeah, this smells like Rockstar's apple, or even, you know, their new hardcore release, or their Super Sour, or now their Endurance, because they brought that back. Although I feel like it smells closer to the original, the non-Endurance versions of Rockstar. But yeah, it smells like Jolly Rancher apple or Rockstar apple. A little hint of Granny Smith. It's got that Granny Smith with the hint of cinnamon. It's very just, I don't know. It's got it. It's definitely got it, and it's the closest thing that I've. So we're gonna take a sip out of the can. Okay. So the smell is a little different than the taste. Not by much. It's still pretty much, you got the sour apple taste, just like the Rockstar and the, you know, both Rockstars. But because of the Bang formula, the aftertastes and all that crap, you get, you actually get kind of a much more cinnamony flavor rather than an apple flavor. So you get like this, it's almost kind of like, it's pretty delicious, actually. It's pretty good. It's a very light it's very easy to drink. It's a very light version of what might even be lighter than Rockstar's Endurance. It's just very light. It's got a very light, like, it doesn't have, it's got less choke on it than the other sour apples thus far. So like if you pick a Rockstar, any of the Rockstars, or even Bang, when you go to take a sip, you're gonna get that apple, and it's gonna bite a little hard. It's gonna be a little hard to, when you go to swallow it, it's gonna really just, I don't know, it's gonna leave a sharp, it's not as like refreshing, I guess. It's not as like watery. It's got a very overwhelming finish. It's got an overwhelming aftertaste. This is kind of like, I don't know, like a diet. This is like a diet apple soda. It's easy to finish, easy to drink, and it's got a good apple flavor that replicates what you've already had from Rockstar. Bang, I'm not sure. I don't really remember their apple one, or even if there is an apple one. Wow. But yeah, this is actually pleasantly delicious. I can already tell I'm gonna give this a 9.5. It's apple drinks are, I like them better than cotton candy, I like them better than lemon, but you know, I like my red drinks a little bit more. So there's that. And my blue ones, apparently. Yeah, this has got a nice, easy to drink finish. Yeah, tastes just like the apples you've been having. You know, all those Granny Smith apple flavored energy drinks, really. It's just a little bit easier to drink. I'd say that in terms of all the ones you've had thus far, this one might be, if you liked, but you always wish that they were just easier to sip and easier to enjoy without all that crazy aftertastes. There is a slight aftertaste with this one. I'm not, you know, it is a little bit, but it's not nearly as bad. It's even better than the lemon. It's better than the aftertaste from the cotton candy. I mean, it's got a really nice, easy aftertaste to handle, unlike the other ones, which is good, because I thought Reigns were all going to be consistent across the board, but that's not the case. Apparently some of them have, I don't know, a little something happened amazing in the factory, and they just managed to flesh out the weird tasting stuff with certain flavors. But yeah, I guess they kind of nailed this one. I like this one, 9.5. I don't really know what else to say, other than I'd probably grab this one again. Like, you know, if I can't find a Rockstar Endurance Sour Apple, which happens every now and then, I'll probably scoop this up instead. So it's a good alternative, if not a better alternative, which is cool. So that's good. I'm happy about that. Now, that's about all I can really think about to say for that. But being that this is the last rain, I'm just going to quickly go over the fact that I will probably be doing some AMP, Game Fuel, Mountain Dew, whatever the hell they're called. There's like 3 companies working in one. They got AMP, you got AMP or Mountain Dew's Game Fuel. And then there's 3 flavors, but honestly, really only 2 flavors, because the first one is just Mountain Dew flavored. So it's not really, you know, doesn't need a review, really. And then I'm trying to get my hands on the new Monster Teas and the new Rockstar Guava, Lime, and Mango Baja editions. I don't know where the hell to find them, but if you made it this far in my review, please, if you found them, throw that crap down in the comment section. I'd love to know where the hell you live. I'm worried it's a southern thing, and if it's a southern thing, I'm worried about special stores down in the south only getting them. And I'm also worried about if it's anywhere north or east or west, that they're still exclusive to a specific store. So, still trying to gather data on what the deal is with them and where they are exclusive to, if they are. So, that being said, those are the two on my horizon, as well as the NOS Power Punch. So, those are currently what I'm after, and yeah, I'm looking for, that's what those next reviews should be. One of them will be first, because I don't think anything else, like how I threw in hype from Big Lots in there, I don't know if I'll be able to get my hands on anything random like that, so I'm just basically be sticking to mainstream. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and it was a quick little TPX updates, and yeah, if you guys can help me out at all in any way, shape, or form, finding me the green teas, well, the new teas, or the new Baja editions, that'd be sweet, because that's about four, those are 4 drinks right there. So that's really cool. And then I got the, you know, the amp game fuel. I'm going to be trying to fill in the blanks with those while we wait. So yeah. Till next time. I guess that might be it, unless I can scrounge up something quick to do another review for tomorrow, but I'll do my best. Till then, guys, see you guys in the next review, whenever that may be. Peace out.